Welcome children. Continue from the previous videos. I am going to explain complementary angle, supplementary angle, complementary angle, supplementary angle, straight angle. It is also called as linear pair, vertically opposite angles, then adjacent angles. Okay, so complementary na sum of two angles equal to 90 degree. ஸோ இப்போ ரெண்டு ஆங்கிள் ஆட் பண்ணுறப்போ 90 டிகிரி வந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா we can tell it is a complementary angle. So look at this diagrams. Few diagrams are given. Two pairs are given. Just add these two and check whether it is equal to 90 degree or not. If it is equal to 90 degree, we can tell it as a complementary angle. Complement இதுக்கு வந்து complement of each other அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Otherwise it is not a complementary angle. Just add this is first point. Add this pair 70 plus 20, 0 plus 0 0, 7 plus 2 9. So this is complementary angle. Next one 25 plus 75. Add this 5 plus 5 0, remainder 1, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10, 100. So it is not complementary angle. Then add this one, this is 52 degree, this is 48 degree, 2 plus 8 is 10, remainder 1, 100. This is also not a complementary angle. Add this is 35 and 55. 35 is 5 plus 5 0, remainder 1, 9. So this is equal to 90 degree, then it is called as complementary angle. So ரெண்டு equal to 90 degree அப்படின்னா ரைட் ஆங்கிள்னு சொன்னோம். அதுவே ரெண்டு ஆங்கிள் ஆட் பண்ணி 90 டிகிரின்னு சொன்னோம் அப்படின்னா we can call it as complementary angles. Okay. And sometimes if one angle is given and one more angle we want to find, அப்போது ஒரு ஆங்கிள் கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, இன்னொரு ஆங்கிள் என்ன, அப்போ அதுக்கு காம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் என்ன ஆங்கிள் வரும்? See, look at this. What is the measure of the complement of each of the following angles? ஒரு வேல்யூ கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, அப்போ இன்னொரு வேல்யூ என்ன வரும்? அப்போ நமக்கு 90 டிகிரி வரணும். ஸோ ஒன் ஆங்கிள் இஸ் how to find answer for this one? Find complement angle for 54. If question is asked like this, 54 is given, so we want to write the property. Solution la definitely we want to write the property. Complement nu kudusu ketirukanaala, so you want to write property that sum of two angles is 90 degree, called complementary angle. So the property is very important. ரெண்டு ஆங்கிள் இருக்கணும், அது என்ன கிடைக்கும்? இஸ் 90 டிகிரி வரணும். ஒன் ஆங்கிள் இஸ் கிவன் and one more angle only we want to find, so we don't know the value, that's what I made it as x. அப்போ ரெண்டு ஆங்கிள், ஒரு ஆங்கிள் 54னு கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, ஒரு ஆங்கிள் தெரியாது, இது ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ண நமக்கு 90 டிகிரி வரணும். அப்போ இது என்ன வேல்யூவாக இருக்கும்? இட்ஸ் லைக் சால்விங் லீனியர் ஈக்குவேஷன். So there is no change in x and there is no change in 54. Want to find the value of x, so keep this one as it is. Transpose this 54 this side. This is plus 54. If you bring this side, becomes minus 54. So x is equal to 90 54. 90 la 54 poichina, just subtract. It's normal subtraction as you did in your first standard and second standard. So this is 10, this is 8, 10 la 4 pochina 6, 8, 3. So 36 degree. So 54 கூட என்ன ஆட் பண்ண நமக்கு 90 degree வரும்? 36 degree. Like this only you want to find answer for complementary angles. Similarly, supplementary angle. So as I told you earlier, sum of two angles is 90 degree is called supplementary. Here sum of two angles is 180 degree called complementary angle. Okay. So same question. 54 ku complementary enna? What is the supplement angle for 54? Same process. What we want to write first? We want to write formula. What is the formula? Sum of two angles is 180 degree called supplementary angles. What are the angles? One is 54 is given and one more we don't know. It should give 180 degree. This is the property for supplementary angle. So as usual, x keep this as it is, 180 also keep this as it is. Transpose this 54 this side minus 54. So subtract 180 minus 54. 7, 10, 10 la 4 poichina 6, 7 la 5 poichina 2 and 1. So 126 degree. Therefore the supplementary angle for 54 is 126 degree. Like this only you want to answer. See, you have more number of questions in your 7th standard book. And as we check the complementary angle, we can check for supplementary also. In the rendu angle add panna supplementary varudhendrathu we can find. Just add and check this. This is 110 plus 50. 110 plus 50 is 0, 6, 160. 160. So it is not a supplementary angle. Check this one. This is 50 and this is 130. 0, 5 plus 3 is 8 and 1. So this is supplementary angle. Like this you can check. So if one angle is given, if one more angle is now you want to find, you can use this method and find. And the remaining methods I will continue in the next video. Thank you.